Alright, so today I'm gonna be showing how to remove this tape from your weights that balance your rims. A lot of people have no idea how to remove it, and it could be very difficult to remove them. You know, when you have nice rims on your vehicle, you spend a lot of money on your rims, and you have to replace your tire, or maybe get them rebalance and everything. They'll remove your weights, rebalance your rims, and now they will just look not so good. So I'm gonna show you guys how to remove that real quick. This is the only thing you will need. You will need some glue gun, trim removing tool, and some paper towel. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you get this rim or your rims nice and clean. Alright, you want to get them nice and clean, because if you don't, then you're gonna scratch the surface, and then that's not what we want. Alright, so that's the first thing we're gonna do. We're gonna clean it up really good. Alright, so I took like 5 minutes real quick to wash the rim. It's basically soap and water. So now that the rim is nice and clean, all we're gonna do is we're gonna apply some glue gun. Alright, make sure we spray enough. Let it soak in for a couple seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and scrape the tape. I'll go ahead and scrape it. Alright. So once you start noticing it's coming off, then you can go ahead and clean the excess. Grab a paper towel, just clean the excess. Alright, and then we're gonna go ahead and repeat the process. I'm gonna spray some more glue gun. Grab our tool again, clean it up real quick, and then we're gonna continue scraping. And if you notice, it will take a couple tries, but you will be able to get it all in like maybe 3-4 tries. No matter how long it takes you, as long as you can get your rim nice and clean. Alright, so this one had so much tape that it will take me a little bit to clean it off, but it's all good as long as you get the result you want. Now the reason you want to use a tool like this is because you don't want to use any metal that will scrape your rim even more. Alright, so we'll continue scraping really fast, and we're gonna remove some more excess. Alright, so I went ahead and replaced my tool with a more narrow tool instead of this very wide end. I'm using a more narrow end now. I can focus some more, apply some more pressure on the specific parts where basically there's more concentration of glue. So This is like my 4th time scraping now, but as you can tell, we have like maybe 20% left or so. All right. So I'm gonna use the wider end. There we go. And it's getting most of it now. So I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna clean the excess, and I'm gonna spray it one more time, and I will show you guys the end result. Okay, so I just finished scraping, and now I'm just cleaning all the excess and everything, making sure everything looks nice. So here is the final result. As you can tell, there's no scratches, well, at least from my tool. There's no scratches from my tool. Alright, that's where there is a couple scratches from when they remove the weights. I'm telling you right now, a lot of these places where you take your vehicles to get your rim service, they don't care. That's why they say they're not responsible for any damages. They will just crash your rims like no tomorrow. Alright, now I just finished painting the weights, because if you notice, the weight is white or kind of grayish color, right? So if you are anal like me and you don't want to have that piece so noticeable on your nice rims, then I'll show you real quick what I did. Basically, I taped them and I paint them real quick, all right, with a color that match my rims, and they are barely noticeable. At least this one's here, you know, the ones you can see, you know, right away. There's some all the way in the back. Not too worried about those, because you can rarely see them. But this one's right here, if you want to make sure they're not so noticeable, you can do that. You can go ahead and tape them nicely, make sure they're clean, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it. Hopefully this video will help a lot of people clean their rims. Have a good one. Bye.